Hi, I'm Andrew with Mohawk Valley Handyman and Mohawk Valley Energy Solutions, and man, has this been a bad winter. We've gotten so much snow here in upstate New York, and almost every house I look at, there's big icicles hanging from the roof, and some houses even have ice dams. Ice dams are problematic, and if you've ever experienced one, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So an ice dam forms when water from the roof runs down and freezes right at the edge of the eave. And as more and more snow melts higher up on the roof, that process just continues and continues, building up a layer of ice, which makes it impossible for new water to run off the roof. And it starts running underneath the shingles and into your house. Now, what causes this? Well, there's a few factors. One is snow. The other is the outdoor temperature. And then the third is attic venting and air sealing and insulation. So as we know, we can't control how much snow we get here in upstate New York. You can snow rake your roof and remove the snow from the roof, which can be a good solution in helping to prevent ice dams. And we can't control what the temperature is outside. So that leaves us with the last option, controlling how much heat escapes into our attic, how well our attic is vented to the outside, and how air sealed and insulated our attic is. So I want to talk about that last option, air sealing and insulation. This is really important because homes have what's called a stack effect going on inside of them. This is what happens inside of a chimney, which forces the exhaust gases up through the chimney. The same thing happens in our house. So as you know, heat rises, right? So as heat rises, it pulls air up with it, and new air from the outside enters down below to replace the old air that is rising. So when this phenomenon occurs, it pulls in cold, dry air from the outside, and this expensive, warm, heated air leaves through your attic in the wintertime. And this warm, expensive, heated air goes up and it starts melting the snow on your roof deck, and that comes down as water and starts forming an ice dam. It's like the money that you're paying for is causing a problem in your house. That's crazy. So, how do we fix this? Well, first, we have to stop the flow of that air. The best way to do that is professional air sealing. This is where the insulation in your attic is either completely removed or peeled back, and any sort of penetration through the ceiling, like piping, wiring, the top plates of walls, are all air sealed. They're sealed with a foam product or a caulk, and then can lights are sealed around as well. After this is done, the insulation can be put back or new insulation could be added. And here where we live in New York, you want at least an R49 value of insulation in your attic. And there's different ways to achieve this. We'd be happy to consult with you on what the best solution is for your home. And there are also programs, rebates, and tax credits available to help make these sort of projects affordable. So say goodbye to ice dams and say hello to a more comfortable home and less money on your utility bills. Call us at Mohawk Valley Energy Solutions today, and we'd be happy to work with you.
Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more home maintenance tips. See you next time.